teacher on duty. First ones are always a pain. They stick, but once you get it rolling, it works just fine. And I just use a little ice cream scoop to scoop out little amounts to put into the piselli maker. You could use a regular spoon, doesn't matter. I've just found that this works for me. And I like to have a bunch of them ready to go so they can go in the iron as soon as I need them. Now this recipe should make around 60 pisellis. And of course the trick is to not pull them out too soon and not leave them in too long either. Okay. Those should be ready. Yes, they are. Okay, should have a whole pile of pisellis very soon. Okay, piselli making nearing completion. Oh yes. Just a few more to go. I've got 4 nice stacks here. And we just wait for them to cool, and when they cool, they're nice and crisp. I've got my pastry for my butter tarts all ready, but I think I'm going to leave these until a little bit later. I'd like the pastry to stay crispy, so probably make these tomorrow. Oh, and there they are, all stacked up nice, waiting to cool off too. Okay, and I just finished making my homemade chocolate pudding with strawberry surprise, and we're going to put a lump of whipped cream in the center when we serve this. So yum yum, homemade chocolate pudding, and it's going in the fridge right now to cool.